In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make a rustic curvy display cabinet. Okay, first of all, we have to make a circle in this center area. Then we can just type the dimension, but the radius of the circle may be around 1000 millimeter of the radius. And then we have to select this line. We have to offset it again. We can offset around 400 millimeter, and then we can just making a line in the middle of the circle right here. Then we can just delete some unnecessary line and plane right there. Then we can just push the basic plane of it with any thickness around maybe 40 millimeter. Okay, and then we have just make it group and just make it component, just create it. And after that, we can set the height of the cabinet by select this object and select move and select control, and then we can set the height of the display cabinet, maybe around 2000 millimeter, and then we can just type 5/ and just select enter. Okay, and then we can get a basic self arrangement of the cabinet, and after that we can make a rectangle. We can make vertical rectangle anyway with any thickness as you want. And then we can just push it up until the self above, and then we can make component, just create it. After that we can select this object and rotate it, and just select from the center point right here, and then select this corner of the component right there, and then select this endpoint, and then we can type maybe around 5/ and then just type enter anyway. Okay, and after that we can make another arrangement about a vertical shelf over there with just click this object and select rotate, and rotate from this center of origin, and then we can rotate it and press Ctrl to duplicate it. Okay, and make sure we can rotate on middle of between the first and second vertical shelf on the right side anyway. Just click it, then we can move it to the upper position. Okay, and after that we can do the same previous method with rotate, and just select from the origin on our middle circle, and then we can select the center of the endpoint component, and then we can select this destination, and then we can type / and we can type 5/ and press we can type / and type enter anyway. So it will be a nice overlapping arrangement between the first and the second row on the cabinet itself. Okay, and after that we can duplicate it by selecting this first row of the vertical shelf and second row of vertical shelf, and then we can move and select control and just duplicate it to the above cabinet, and then just delete the unnecessary object on the upper position. And we have done about how to make a basic shape of the curvy cabinet. Okay, and then we can make it group, and after that we can assign a material with a rustic material from the wood option, and we can just select the wood lumber butt joint, and then just assign it to the alpha component, and it has been finished. Okay, I think that's all. Thanks for watching for my video. I hope it will be a lot of benefit and advantage to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.